We got the Harden Black History Month limited edition right here. Size 7s.
Fake. What if they're fake, yo?
Oh, there they are.
They're fake, guys. No, they're fake. Come on,
They're like leather.
They're fake.
Dude, those are awesome.
Not used.
Let me feel it. Let me feel it. Let me feel it. I need to feel it like.
Oh my lord.
Yo,
those
this
are
part feels
awesome.
so good.
Look at the freaking guy.
We got the weird colorway, but
can you
it
give me
looks dope.
Here, let's show them the actual inside. Look at that.
Boost on it.
Got that boost right here. Arthur Ashes right here. That's him right here. Got the key tab. Here, try to show you. 28 out of 1,975.
Yep, you can see that.
Let's try them on. Jesus Christ.
They're tied though.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Caleb, don't get the other thing out. Yo, these are like heavy.
Let me feel.
all right. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it.
Bro, can I try one on?
Bye.